How to fix the issue where your mouse cannot move to your second monitor on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first you want to right click on the Start button and then open up the settings. Then click on System and Display. Now you want to make sure to set under multiple displays. If you have multiple displays like me, you want to make sure set it to Extend Desktop to this display. You want to basically set the monitors to extend the desktop display. And then you want to pick your main display by checking this box right here. So usually the one in the middle, I make it the primary display, but it's personal preference. And now you want to organize your displays in such a way that the cursor can basically go from the second one to the other. You will notice that if you move your cursor to the side of the screen, whether it pops up to the next screen or it pops up from backward right here. So you want to drag your display like this until the cursor basically enters through this side and comes out through the other. And make sure the cursor only goes through the side where there is another display next to the other display from here. And when you go through this side where there is no displays, it basically stops the cursor. And you do that by simply adjusting your displays order right here by holding the mouse down and dragging it to basically place it until you have a connection between the displays. And then you can click on the Identify button to see the displays in place. And once you're satisfied with that, you can simply close this window and then you can move your cursor across the screens like I'm doing right now. And it's working perfectly. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.